Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw from your wallet on your Trust wallet. So here we are in Trust wallet and we are in Swift beta wallet right here. So basically to actually just do this is pretty simple. So here you can buy and sell. So you want to sell one of your actual just cryptocurrencies, you can do so right here. So if you want to sell, just do this and then it will actually just account to what you're trying to sell. So if you actually want to make it into your own personal wallet, or you can, if you want to withdraw it from somewhere else or a bank account, you can do so. But you'll need a third-party application for that, like an exchange. So an exchange can actually sell it directly into your wallet if you want to. So here, so I'm just gonna hide my total balance. It's pretty embarrassing. So here, all you have to do is go to your Trust wallet. From there, send it to cryptocurrency. So we're gonna do BTC, for example, but I don't have any cryptocurrency right here. Let's just say we're gonna do USDT. So we send this and then enter the address from here. So USDT, you wanna look for USDT right here, and then you want to deposit right here, and then you will have to choose the network. So here in Trust Wallet, they are using ERC20, so make sure you're using ERC20. Copy that right here, and then paste it right here, and then the USDT amount, and then withdraw it. Once you have withdrawn it already, go back to Binance, and then go to your funding right here, go to P2P market, press sell, and then you can actually sell it for a withdrawal into your wallet, into your bank account, into your e-wallets, or into your PayPal, and many much more. So there you go, guys. That is how you withdraw your Trust wallet here in your phone, and you can also do this in other devices. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.